In this tutorial, we will look at the settings tab. The users can toggle the settings tab by clicking here. The user will see all the related modules. Let's begin by exploring the users module. In the users module, we see a list of all the users that have been added to the CRM. The admin also has an ability to create a new user. We see some basic details of the user in the table, and we also see the status. Now let's open one of the users. And from here, the admin can deactivate the user, which suspends the account. So the user won't be able to log in if the account is in inactive state. And the details can also be edited. And let's see how to select unit and department for a user. So multiple units can be selected for a user. And similarly, according to the unit, we see a list of departments. So for now, we have selected unit 1 and 2 for this user. So we see department with indicator if it's from unit 1 or unit 2. If we select unit 3, then in the list, we will also get to see all the departments related to unit 3. Finally, we can select the roles as well. A user can have multiple roles. So now the user has been updated, the status has changed to inactive, and let's quickly change it back to active. Yeah. Now let's explore the production data module. This module is used to put in the revenue and the production quantity related to a product. So let's click on the update button. Here we select the product, we select the month, and then we can update the revenue. And the data is now updated. After that, we have a pricing chart module. In this module, we see all the pricing details related to the combination of stage, units, and department. Let's try creating one. So first we select the stage, then we select the unit, and then finally we select the department. Then we can fill in the rate card and click on create. So now this item has been added at the bottom. After that, we have a notifications module. Now the table shows us details regarding the notification. So first we have NC type, then we can see the unit, we can see the time frame. For example, this particular item has time frame set to after 1 day, and the second one is set to after 10 days. We have set the medium as email, and then we have a list of recipients. Following that, we have also the list of departments. And finally, we have a status. So let's try to update this. So let's make this notification as inactive. And let's also add another recipient. Let's keep all the other fields as they are and click on update. So now we can see the recipient, new recipient has been added over here, and the status has changed to inactive. After notifications, we come to the customers module. Here we have a list of all the customers that are added in the database. To change the name of any customer, we click on it, and here we get an option to change the name. To create a new customer, we click on add a new customer button. Here we can add any sample customer for now for the demo purpose. Click on create, and we should see this customer towards the end. So sample customer has been added. And finally, we have an update password module. Here the user can change their password, and by entering the current password, the new password and by confirming the new password. Once we click on update password button, the password changes for this currently logged in user. So we have explored all the modules in the settings tab, and that is it for this tutorial.